Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making mushroom frittata. You're going to need 8 to 10 eggs depending on the size, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, half a cup heavy cream, 1 cup baby spinach, half a teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup mushrooms, half a cup mozzarella cheese, 1 onion. We're going to start by cutting onion in very small pieces. Cut the cherry tomatoes long way. Slice mushrooms very thin. Cut up baby spinach very fine. Brush a little bit of oil on the pan so it doesn't stick when it's baking. Cover the entire pan with the diced onion. Spread evenly sliced mushrooms. Cover the mushrooms with the baby spinach. Add sliced cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese. Instead of mozzarella, you can also use cheddar or parmesan. Set this on the side and we're going to start making the fill. Add 8 to 10 eggs, depends on the size. Add heavy cream, or you can use kefir or Greek yogurt. Add garlic. Add salt and pepper. And mix it really well. Gently pour the fill evenly on top. This looks gorgeous, and after it's baked, it looks even better. Preheat your oven on 350 and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. After you get it out of the oven, let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes to get set. It's ready to be served. It came out really nice. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.